How to see history on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can view your history on TikTok, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find your watch history on TikTok, it's actually very simple. Now TikTok always has constant updates, so the interface is always here and there and it's a little bit confusing for everybody, but the option is still the same and it is still in the settings panel. So to find it, all you have to do is open up TikTok. Once you open up TikTok, what you want to do is just tap on this little profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, tap on the three lines icon from the top right, go to settings and privacy. Now currently it is set to content and watch history or comment and watch history. By the time you watch this video, it could always be written, let's say, watch history only, a separate watch history tab or whatever else. For now TikTok is keeping it in comment and watch history section, and then under it you have to go to the option called watch history. So just tap on watch history and now you can see you will be able to find all of your watch history on TikTok basically. So if you want to remove a specific history, tap on the select button. If you want, you can select all watch history, tap on delete in order to delete your watch history as well. This is simply how you can delete or find your watch history on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.